girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar Coin Brad Pitt. Wow, cool. This one is a very fun song to play as well. So yeah, let's start right away. Capo on the 3rd fret, and we have a couple chords to go over. So let's start with the chords. We have E minor, that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Next is A minor, so that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have A. So A is open A string, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. Then C, so 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have the C, but with B in the bass, so pretty similar. We just change the bass here to 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And the final chord is B. Sorry. That is 2nd frets a bar from A string and down, so that means 5 strings. And the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 4th on B. And you don't really need all these fingers like I had there. You can just bar the 4th fret from D string and down, and we'll just basically use the bass strings here for this particular chord in this song. Okay, so that was the chords. So now let's look at the strumming pattern first. The song starts with E minor, so let's illustrate the strumming with E minor. It's pretty short and it sounds like this. That is 1 round. So that is down, up, clap, up. Okay, so down, up, clap, up. Down, up, clap, up. Down, up, clap, up. Yeah, like that. So we'll start the intro and the song. It's back and forth between E minor and A minor. Okay, so the intro goes that chord progression: E minor for 4 strumming rounds and A minor for 4 strumming rounds, and you do that chord progression for 2 rounds. So E minor 4, A minor 4, E minor 4, and A minor 4. That is the intro, and that will sound like this: E minor, 4, and A minor, 2, 3, 4. Again, last round. And A minor. All right. Then it continues in the same way for the first verse. It starts in the lyrics: I've got too many problems. Okay, so it will continue in the same way. That means E minor for 4 strumming rounds and A minor for 4. And you do that short chord progression for 2 rounds. So again, E minor, A minor 4 times, and that is the first round of this chord progression. And then we go for the 2nd round now, and final round. And that is the first verse. That takes us to the pre-chorus. Oh, baby now. Honestly, that's where we are in the lyrics. You will play and continue the same strumming. So you play the E minor for 4 rounds. So then you play the A, not A minor, the A for 2 rounds. Okay, and after 2 rounds, you're gonna play 1 down for the following chords: C, then the C B, then A minor, and B. And then it's just a vocal part in lyrics I'm just asking you to. That's just a vocal part. And that is the first pre-chorus. So just to summarize that part, it was E minor, 4 strumming rounds, then A, 2, and then comes the chord shifts here, 1 down for the following chords, C, C, B, A minor, B, and just let it be there. Next is a vocal part, and that's it for the pre-chorus. I'm going to take you through that part now, so let's go from E minor 4 rounds. Okay. And the vocal parts. Alright, so that is how it's done. And that takes us to the chorus. The lyrics, keep me young forever. That's a great wish there. We have pretty much the same play as in the verse. It's E minor, 4 strumming rounds, A minor, 4 strumming rounds, and that chord progression you play for 2 rounds. We don't have to play through that right now because we know that by now. So E minor, A minor, 2 chord progression rounds. And then we have a post chorus, and you just continue in the same way and play another E minor 4 rounds and A minor 4 rounds. So that's it. Yeah, that takes us to the second verse. That is played in the same way as the first one. And the same goes with the second pre-chorus, played in the same way as the first pre-chorus. And then it just repeats itself again in the chorus, played in the same way as the first one. And after the second chorus comes a bridge part, okay? For that bridge part, you will play the following chords: E minor, A minor, E minor, A minor, then B, and A minor. You will play them in the same way as I just did, just 1 down per chord. So E minor, A minor, E minor, A minor, B, A minor. And that takes us to the third and final chorus, played in the same way as the other choruses. And then we have just a final outro left, and that is E minor, 4 times strumming, A minor, 4 times strumming, and that chord progression, guess what? 2 rounds. And that will end Coins Brad Pitt. So a fun song to play, pretty basic, 1 strumming pattern, pretty easy chords, and that's it. So good luck with this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please thumb up, subscribe if you haven't yet. I love to see this channel and this family grow, and feel free to put a wish on this channel for a song you want to highlight, and perhaps for the Wish Wednesday, we have Wish Wednesdays here when we bring up a song that you wish for. So yeah, it could be your song. So thank you for watching and play tuned.